Welcome back to Scotties Hobbies. Today we're going to take a look at this battery jump box I received. It looks pretty useful. I actually need one for my work truck. It dies a lot lately and I've been super busy to where I do need to get another battery in that thing, but all the lights, the chargers, the crane, my inverter, a bunch of stuff actually kills that battery out lately. I'm going to get one soon, but after I jump it, it works for a week or so, and then if I let it set for 3 days, the battery needs a jump. So I'm going to give this thing a test tomorrow and let you guys know how it works. If this video does help you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and comment below and let me know what you think about these. But this is the Andeman jump box. The model number is the E-Power 155 Pro. You can take a look right there, right there. Nice little glare on the video for you. And I'm going to keep this in my personal truck when I am ready, or after I give it a little test. But let's go ahead and see what's inside this box when you receive it. I believe these are about 50 to 70 bucks. I'm not sure, but there will be a link in the description below, and hopefully like right around here I'll let you know how much they really cost. But it seems pretty cool, a little digital box. Let's go ahead and take a look, open this box and see what's in it. Oh, actually comes in a really cool carrying case. I haven't even opened this box yet. You guys always get to see me open the box first, so you get to see my excitement opening these things. So nice little carrying case, box. Oh man, that just fell down 5 stories. Just kidding. Look at this. Pretty cool already, just by the looks of stuff. It seems like it's really nicely built as well. Not just a little cheap piece of junk. Goes straight to the good stuff, right? Here is the actual jump box itself. It's pretty small, it's kind of heavy, or I'm really weak, one of the two. And come on. Let's see what it says on the back. This is a 5-volt 3-amp charger, 3000 amps peak current. Jump start output is 14.8 volts. Got your little warning, caution, and it is a E-Power 155 Pro. So this is a E-Power 155 Pro from Andeman. Take a look at that. Pretty nice. Got a little plastic thing on the cover. We'll take that off in a minute. Here we have a USB 3.0, a 5-volt charger, and the actual charger for the gizmo. Let's see what else is in here. Here is your power negative, or positive and negative I should say. It looks like there's actually going to be a little flashlight on the bottom of this thing too. Pretty cool. On the bottom you can see, on the side, there is a flashlight button just in case you need to see what you're doing, in case you need to use this at night probably. Let's see if it powers on. It does. Let's see what happens. It comes currently charged at 88%. I would highly recommend every time you use this, or when you initially put it in your car or your truck, to go ahead and charge this thing up before you put it in there. So when you do need it, it's actually charged. And maybe once a month or something, if you're not using it, keep it charged. Just make sure the charge is in it, just so if you do need it, that it is going to be good to go. Let's get this plugged on here. We've got a nice good connection. There's a little green light right here letting you know that the component is actually plugged in and good to go. I would assume if you're not making a good connection right there, either the light would be red or probably not even working at all. So now you're ready to go. Just put this thing on your car or your truck and jump this thing. Super easy. This is also inside the package, and it's going to be a USB 3.0 charger. See that? Take a look. So you plug it in the wall in your USB charger and it charges right up. So that's what you get inside this package for your compact battery jump box. Seems pretty dope. I'll give this thing a little test tomorrow. Let's look at the flashlight part. Look at that. It does have a little flashlight on it. So again, if you need to use this at night for some reason, you can see what you're doing, what you're looking at. Give yourself a little bit of help setting everything up to get this thing charged up, or get your car charged up, I should say. Again, this is a Andeman jump box. And the the model is going to be E-Power 155 Pro. If you're looking for something like this, oh, it tells you the lamp is on too. If you're looking for something like this, there will be a link in the description below to purchase this one. And I'm going to give this thing a test, see how it works out, and I'll post that video. I'll post that video very, very shortly, within the next week or so, of giving this thing a test and letting you guys know how it works. I'm also going to charge this thing up tonight before I use it tomorrow, and I'll let it sit in my truck after a little bit and just see how long it holds the charge. So I say so a lot in this video for some reason. If you are looking for one of these, look for links in the description below. If you have one of these, let me know how it's worked out for you. And if you do end up buying one, let me know as well. It's pretty nice to know that you guys are using these videos to purchase your items. So if this video did help you out, comment below. Let me know your make and model. And if this video ended up helping you out, please like this video, like, subscribe, and share. Check out the video library. I have a ton of automotive maintenance videos out there, some how-tos, some family fun videos as well, and I got Scotty in the sky, my drone videos. Check out the video library. There's a ton of fun, useful stuff on there. I'll see you guys on the next, hopefully helpful video. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies.